Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the right member function in C++. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++. I double click and take some process and now yes is open. Alt F5 menu taking and here our goal write a program to print two string yes using uh, right member function. So yes, right is a member function of C out object we can call an ostream class member. Yes, that is a ostream class in output or input, that is a in istream and in ostream. So output stream that class object and we can use this our program. So let us start. So yes, first I give one example. So here we can take in two string. Yes, so first void main and you can also call that string. So here we can give the static string. Yes, first. So yes, that is a str1 and here you can give 20. So that is a fix and we can if number of less character assigned, so that is a wasting of memory. So here we can use pointer and remove the static and directly initialize. So like OP, object oriented programming in. Yes, that is our first string and then second s string 2 and that we can say that polymorphism. Yes, that is a very important concept, polymorphisms. Yes, so static and dynamic two branch. Poly means that is multiple and that is a Greek word, so taking more than one form, that is known as polymorphism. So in my video lecture all three branch I cover means main two, static and dynamic. In static, function overloading, operator overloading, and dynamic we can overriding our base class and derived class we can choose as runtime. So that all are concept polymorphism. So yes, first we can calculate. Yes, I first one that size and that is a, you can say that length one. Okay, but here I use the strlen that we can pass the str1 string, and also second we can our own logic. Yes, so here I means one header file take. So string.h, that string length len we have to use, and here we can calculate to ourselves. So here we can declare integer I and then taking for loop. So I equal to 0, I less than string 2 of I and not equal to null. Yes, so slash 0 and null and then I plus plus. So here we can take length 2. Yes, here I also declare uh, length 2 equal to 0. Initialize we can. So we can take to our own logic. Yes, and here I just plus plus. So that second string, that is count the length 2 len 2 variable. So here we can use string inbuilt function and here we can use to our own logic. Yes, so that is now we can print. Yes, so let us take. So we can first print both string. So here I print this both string. So we can use yes, uh, that is a C out, and we can say that the first string is okay, and here we can use puts. Yes, so that is a str1, and yes, I copy this and control insert and paste and second string. So here we can say that second string and here I, you can also see out. Yes, here we can one use see out and so both technique you have to use. So here we can use see out and str1. So yes, that both technique we have to print. Okay, Now we can take the for loop, yes, and that is our that I equal to, we have to start our string. So that is a length. So we can initialize yes 1 and I semicolon I less than that our length is 1, and we have to second string, yes, that is a polymorphism, so that perfectly look. So and then here we can I plus plus and just see out. So yes, see out we have to use, and then here we can use the right, yes, that is a member, and we can pass two arguments. So that is our string 2 and then I variable. So that is a number of length we have to already calculate, and then we can also guess and taking the and l new line, okay, every one character. So that is look like one pyramid. So yes, I copy and paste. So yes, first we can check and then we can try to next. So yes, I save this, yes, F2, and that is we can say that right and then function, right member function, and those C++ is there. So yes, now let us take that how that print, yes, so here see out, yes, here, yes, here we can include the IO stream, yes, that remaining. So get and put we can also, so both that header file is required. So here IO stream is remaining. So IO stream dot h, yes, and I compile, yes, there is a one warning, yes, we cannot use length 1. So yes, that is first string oops and second string polymorphism, and we can take like pyramid. Yes, so that is a pyramid polymorphism. Yes, so that is a perfectly, and we can yes here less than or equal to. So that number of all character. Yes, let us take so all string. Yes, m is now printed, and now I copy this all and in reverse order. So how reverse order? So yes, here we can length assign 2, length in I, length 2, and then I is a greater than or not equal to 0, and here I remove the length, and then minus minus, yes, and here yes there is a no change, yes, that perfectly. Let us take so in reverse order, yes, same string, yes, what okay, so there are two. Okay, no problem. So yes, and let us take yes. So how that perfectly print? Yes, look. So that is a look like or pyramid. So in reverse order also print. Okay. So one character at a time. That is a print. Okay. And our first that all string, that is a go in three. Here I provide the after that message, and here we can provide the and yes, so now that perfectly, and we can also concatenation, yes, that possibility concat to one string in right function directly. So how, yes, that also we can take here. So yes, that is a like we have to use C out and then write, yes, and here we can pass directly our string 1, yes, str1, and then length 1, that also use, and then we can nesting, yes, so directly write, and then that is a concatenation, so str2 and then that length of 2, yes, so that is a concatenation, so that is concatenation of string. Yes, so let us take, so I compile, there is two, what is okay, so here one operator is remaining out. Okay, so that is compile, yes, there is no warning any and no error. Yes, so here we after the uh, concatenation of string, so both string our length 1 and length 2. Yes, so length 1 and length 2 we have to use, yes, no problem. So let us take that concat and yes, so here First I give one comment line so we can see the all our output. So I give here comment line. So yes, now let us take only one part. So our string is print, we can see, yes, that two oops in polymorphism, yes, and one that printed, yes. Now I open this second part, and then here we can, I compile and run, yes. So all are print because all that gone in above, and write, yes, that nesting and concatenation of two string. So C out, yes, here we can use C out, write first string that the length, yes, one that is a length, and second string that length. Okay, so now we can print our first string str1. So directly we can print that type of letter take. So yes, no any error. And yes, look, oops in polymorphism. So yes, that is concatenation, and second string is also one string and second string. So now both print. So I give now that not we can use take. So let us take. So I compile and now run that. So that is a print. So one time we can give here just as a output operator, and that is a how it string one and then and l, yes, so new line. So now that print, otherwise that not print. So yes, look, so here concates oops in polymorphism, and second oops in, yes, first string is two time. Okay, so yes, that is a here we can provide. So and l, so let us take that new line or not. So yes, that perfectly print. So that is concatenation, and we can also print in separate. So all are print perfectly. So now I close this session. So write this program to your C notebooks. Here very simple write member function, and also you can check in help. Yes, that is possibility. So here write member is there, and that is ostream. Okay, function. Yes, that is member function, and that write to a file in those, and that all are yes. So I close this all, yes, and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakadi, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.